Hello students, welcome to Extreme Telugu. In this video, we will discuss 10th class physics lesson number 1, that is reflection of light at curved surfaces. Today, we are going to discuss the uses of spherical mirrors. There are two spherical mirrors, as you know, that are concave mirrors and convex mirrors. When we use these spherical mirrors, we must know how they are behaving in different situations. What is their behavior? Then only we will be able to use the spherical mirrors. First, concave mirrors. Concave mirrors are used to see the magnified image. If you want to see, then use concave mirror. Why? Because in the last case, sixth case, if you put the object between pole and focus, then you obtain a enlarged erect image. So we have to keep the object as nearer as possible to the mirror, then we get enlarged erect image inside the mirror. So to see the image which is enlarged and magnified, we use concave mirrors. Not only this, these are used as reflectors of light also. If you keep the light source at the focus, then the reflected rays will travel in parallel to the principal axis. That is, if the light source is here on focus, the light which is coming through focus will be reflected in parallel to the principal axis. That means the light will travel to the infinite distance. That means as farther as possible. So concave mirrors are used when we need a magnified image to be obtained, or we need light to be reflected to the farther distance. Coming to the convex mirror, convex mirrors are used when we require a wide scope to be covered. Convex mirrors have wide scope, they cover larger area, and moreover they give us diminished images. That too, diminished and erect images. If it is your compulsion that you have to see erect images only, then go for convex mirrors. So this is how we differentiate between concave mirrors and convex mirrors, then applications. Let us see the applications in detail. Concave mirrors, they are used as makeup mirrors. When the makeup is being done on the face, the person who wants to see his face where makeup is being done, he wants his face to be seen enlarged so that he can observe the small points or the patches of the makeup also. To see it clearly, he wants his image to be seen enlarged. So he will use concave mirror to see his face while doing his makeup, or she will use a concave mirror while doing her makeup. Generally, concave mirror is available along with the makeup kit. Now, shaving mirrors. When men shave their face, then even those people want their face to be seen enlarged so as to shave the beard, or so as to shave cleanly and neatly. So to have a clean shaving, they require a concave mirror. The light reflectors. Concave mirrors are used as light reflectors, mainly in vehicles and street lights. In vehicles, the headlight has got a spherical reflector. Headlight has got a spherical reflector that you can observe in car or bike. That spherical reflector is nothing but concave mirror. In street lights also, if you see the street light, in street lights also there is a concave reflector so that it can reflect the light. The maximum light can be reflected down onto the road, onto the street. So here the principle is they keep the source of light, that is bulb, at the focus so that the reflected rays travel to the infinity, that means as far as possible. Now, dentists will be having a special mirror which is nothing but a concave mirror. They will be having a mirror attached to an handle. This handle attached mirror will be kept inside the mouth to examine the fitness of the teeth. Especially the upper teeth can be observed by the dentist by using this concave mirrors. ENT doctors. E for ear, N for nose, T for throat. Ear, nose, throat doctors will also use concave reflectors. They will be having a special cap or torchlight using which they will see deep into the nose or ear or throat. These are the applications of concave mirrors. Let us see the applications of convex mirrors. Convex mirrors are used as rear view mirrors. Rear view mirrors are nothing but the mirrors which are present on both sides of the handle of a bike or both sides of the car or bus or any other vehicle to see what is coming from the back side. These need to have a wider scope so as to cover the total road, and all the vehicles which are coming from backside must be seen in that mirror. If the original size of that vehicle is shown in the mirror, then one bus itself will occupy the total mirror space. So the original size is not to be shown, smaller sizes are to be shown so that all the vehicles are covered in the same area of the mirror. Hence we use convex mirror, not concave mirror, for having the application as rear view mirror. Next one is hillway or roadside mirrors. You might see big spherical mirrors kept on roadside or hillways. If hills are there and roads are there, then you can have those big spherical mirrors to be kept on side way of the road so as to see what is coming from the other side. In curvy roads also these mirrors are used. If a person is coming from this side, another person is coming from this side, there is every chance of they meeting at this particular point and getting the accident to happen. But if a mirror is there here, this person can be seen to this person. The person which is coming from here, the vehicle which is coming from here can be seen by this person and he can apply the brake or he can deviate his path so as to avoid the accident. Next one is parking mirrors. In parking places also you see big spherical mirrors. They are also convex mirrors. These are used to see whether any vehicle is there backside or not, or any vehicle is there on the other side of the road or not, whether any vehicle is coming from the other side of the road or not. Vigilance mirrors. These mirrors, once upon a time these mirrors are used in any of the big shops. Now they have been replaced by CCTV cameras. These mirrors are to be used, or they are used to be fixed in front of the shopkeeper in such a way that if this mirror is kept in front of the shopkeeper's seat, he used to see the total shop in this mirror. Why? Because convex mirrors have wider scope. He used to see the total shop's image in that particular mirror by sitting in his own seat. Such kind of mirrors are called as vigilance mirrors. These are the uses of concave and convex mirrors. Hope you understood this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel Extreme Telugu and share these videos with your friends and well-wishers. Thank you very much for watching this video.